Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So sometime we will face some issues in the title. The text will be like this. So I have a shorter text, sometimes we have big text, so we will face some kind of issue this one. So today I am going to show you how to fix this one. So normally if you click here, if you go here edit type or whatever you do here, you cannot fix this one. So it's very simple. In here in the project browser you go to the families, and if you go to the last one you will see view title. So here you have some titles, so right click this one, edit. So the family will come, you just click this one, see this one, and you just drag this like this. So you can add more detail if you want in the create and the label. You can click anywhere you want. So you have some detail here, family, discipline, types, so many things. If you want you can add and place it where you want, it will come also. Or you can make one share parameter and you can add also, it will come here. So just make this one, drag it's a little bigger, how much you want. Then just load into project. If you want to save you can save. If you don't want to save, just make no. So you can overwrite. So this one fixed. So I hope you understand. If you don't understand, make a comment. I will explain you in the comment also. If you not subscribe my channel, subscribe my channel. We can learn together. Until then, take care. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.